roll intro.
Always, always, always.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's vlog. So, some good news. At last, we have our amp and speaker. However, it's not the one that I actually wanted. So I went out and got a substitute because the one that I wanted just wasn't going to come. So we've got the amp and speaker to fit today. So what I'm going to do is get the panel out and then we can get that installed in the car. This is going to be a two-part video. So this week we're just going to cut the holes out and make sure it looks good. Next week we're going to install the cable in, and the reason why it's two parts is because I haven't got the cable in with me today. I'm still waiting for that to arrive, but that definitely will come next week, so we'll be able to get it installed in the car and get that ready. So without further ado, let's get on and get this in the car because this has been long overdue. Let's do this. Okay, so we are back from the car. Here's our back piece that you recall that we did a few weeks back now. So what I've done, I've got this rim. This is the outer rim of the speaker. What I'm going to do is use this as a template because this diameter is perfect for the ring where the speaker is going to sit. So measured about here, this is about center. What I'll do is I'll make the circle here and then I'll cut it out from the inside. And then we'll fit the speaker, or hopefully it should just fit in. So let's get on and do that right now. Okay, so next we need to fit the amp. So the amp is exposed on the back here, so all I need to do really is cut a channel that is as big as that. So I'm thinking this way up, just about here, so that it's near the speaker. I am gonna have to run some cables up here as well, so what I might do is just a discrete hole. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but the main thing at the moment is just getting the hole cut out so that this can rest on top. So let's get on and do that right now. there you have it, the finished product. So now all we have to do is go and fit it into the car, and that should just be a case of just sticking it back in. Hopefully this speaker is high enough that it's not going to foul the seat. I've got a hunch it might do. So we might have to do something a little bit more radical. We might have to build a rim, bring it out so that it comes down. But let's see. I'll go and fit it in and see if it does. And there it is in the car. That looks good, doesn't it? So that is in place. Very happy with that. And as you can see, I've got a seat out at the moment, so just to make it easier to get it in and out, but it does look the part. Well, it looks okay. I'm pretty happy with that. So that is in place. And yeah, it's good. So like I said, next week we'll be doing the wiring, and that you'll be able to then hear it and see it shake and all the other things that people like seeing with these speakers. Okay, so that's the amp and speaker in place. So next week we're going to be doing the wiring, get it all wired up into my cheap Chinese amp. So hopefully that should go well, and then we'll hear how it sounds. So join me next week, next Monday as usual, for the next installment of the TT project. Have a good week, and don't forget to check out the photos on Instagram. See you next week.
Always, always.